In this video, I'm going to teach you how to track your crypto portfolio. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Tracking your crypto portfolio is essential for sitting on top on your investments, understanding your profits and losses, and even managing tax obligations. So, using a tool like this one that I'm going to showcase in this video will give you the options to do real-time performance comparisons, profit and loss analysis, diversification, and much more. So there are two main approaches. You can use automated crypto portfolio trackers, which are recommended for most users because you will typically connect your wallet address and they will do the work for you. Or you can do this manually, where you will have to type out each change that you do. So you type out a cryptocurrency name, quantity held, purchase price per unit, date of purchase, and so on. So the one that I chose to showcase in this video is going to be CoinMarketCap. There are a lot of these tools available, and of course you can choose whichever one you prefer. For example, CoinLeap, CoinStats, CoinTracker, Delta, Blockbit, and so on. I chose this one for this video, and if you want to use any of the other ones, you might want to look into specific guides. So when you arrive at any of these websites or apps, you will see the option to create your portfolio and log in. You have plenty of options to sign in. You can use a wallet, you can use Google, Apple, and as I've said before, you can even connect your Binance account or other integrations here. By doing this in continuing with Binance or your wallet, usually it will automate the process and all of your assets will be transferred over. If you choose the option to sign in with Google, as I selected here, you will see these main options: connect your wallet, add transactions manually, connect Binance account, and connect OKX account. So if you choose connect your wallet, you will enter the wallet address from an exchange wallet of your choice. Then give it the portfolio name and the connection will be created. So as you can see, we are only requesting view permissions. This does not give us access to your private keys nor the ability to move your assets. So this is going to be by far the simplest way to get this done. Sadly, I cannot demonstrate this process in this video, but it's as simple as choosing it here and then inputting the public address. Be aware that there are supported networks, so not all networks are going to be supported here, so make sure that yours is in the list, and as long as it is, you will be able to get this done. If you choose the option to enter it manually, this is how it looks. You will choose the option to add a transaction, choose Bitcoin for example, enter the quantity, enter the date, any included fees, any notes, add the transaction, and it is going to appear. A graph will be created for you, including a history, performance, and allocation, and you will be able to repeat this manually every single time. I hope I was able to help you on how to track your crypto portfolio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.